Bitcoin stays below $26,000, Ether trades above $1,600. India G20 confirms active discussions around global crypto framework. Marathon's Bitcoin mining rate fell 9% in August. Paris Hilton A16Z back IP ownership network story protocol. Justin Bieber hit track becomes NFT for royalty sharing. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading mixed as investors focused on key economic data including the Federal Reserve's report for further clues on the central bank's interest rate path. Bitcoin hovered near $25,500 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.2% at 33,760 points. Moving on, Marathon Digital Holdings, a crypto mining company, produced 1,072 bitcoins in August, which is 5 times more than it did in August 2022, but 9% less than it did in July. The decline in Bitcoin production from the month of July was observed due to increased curtailment activity in Texas and record-breaking high temperatures. In an interesting news, USD Coin has recently expanded its space by launching on both the Base and Optimism networks. Meanwhile, users of Coinbase can now transfer USDC to the Base network due to this development. Elsewhere, in stablecoins, Solana blockchain native token SOL jumped after Visa announced it will expand its stablecoin capabilities to the Ethereum alternative. Visa, the payment giant, will soon introduce settlement of the USDC stablecoin over the Solana network to improve the speed of cross-border settlement. By integrating blockchain capabilities on Solana, the pilot program enables enterprise-grade throughput and reduced transaction cost. Interestingly, on-chain data shows that the Ethereum community witnessed whale activity, with whales adding around 260,000 ETH with a staggering $425 million in the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, Ethereum whales have begun to send large amounts of ETH to centralized exchanges. Sentiment report posted on the X platform has shown that Ethereum whales may be looking to exit stage at this time. The whales have moved 300,000 ETH to Coinbase. Elsewhere, Grayscale has asked the SEC to expedite its spot Bitcoin ETF's application approval process. In other news, Cardano's native token has recently undergone a notable decline in its value, with its price dropping by approximately 17% over the last month. According to the latest data by Sentiment, ADA has witnessed a 1,700% surge in its weekly on-chain transaction volumes since late January. In a truly major development, the third largest cryptocurrency, Tether, recently announced its growing exposure to US Treasury bonds, with the holdings of Treasury bonds rising to an impressive $72.5 billion. US stock futures fell on course to add to the losses suffered in the previous session. Futures tied to the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average were lower by 0.2% and 39 points respectively. Nasdaq 100 futures fell 0.33%. Bitcoin was trading at $25,720, down 0.1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.2%, trading at $1,630. BNB was down by 0.3% to trade at $214. Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.3% to trade at $0.25. Polygon Matic was trading down by 1.5% to trade at $0.55. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.2% at $0.063. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.50, down 0.7%. Polkadot was down by 0.8% to trade at $4.2. However, Solana SOL was up 1% and was trading at $19.7. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $9.9, higher 0.5%. Shiba Inu was trading up by 2%.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. Under India's Group of 20 presidency, active discussions around establishing a global framework for cryptocurrencies are underway, India's Minister of Finance Nirmala Sitharaman said. Sitharaman confirmed that G20 members are working towards establishing a global crypto framework during the Global FinTech Fest on September 5. During the summit, Sitharaman said crypto was a threat as well as an opportunity. She highlighted the need for global cooperation to build a responsible financial ecosystem that can effectively help regulate cryptocurrencies worldwide. Global cooperation is absolutely critical, she added. Since India took over the G20 presidency in Q4 of 2022, the country has consistently highlighted the need for global collaboration when it comes to financial security and stability. However, the finance minister confirmed that G20 members are working together on highly anticipated crypto regulations. United States-based crypto mining operator Marathon Digital Holdings produced 1,072 Bitcoin in August, 9% less than in July, but 5 times more than in August 2022. On September 5, Marathon shared the unaudited BTC production and miner installation updates for August. According to the press release, the company increased its US operational hash rate by 2% month-over-month to 19.1 exahashes in August, and it increased its installed hash rate by 1% month-over-month to 23.1 exahashes. The use occurred due to the upgrade of Bitmain Antminer S19j Pro miners to more efficient S19XP models. Marathon reached its primary domestic growth target of 23 exahashes and now aims to hit 30 exahashes, with 2 planned to be obtained through international facilities and 5 by contract from other entities. Marathon is also finalizing paperwork on its new mining facility in Garden City, Texas, with its joint venture in Abu Dhabi mining 50 Bitcoin in August. The new blockchain-based IP ownership network Story Protocol closed a $54 million funding round on September 7, which included investments from big names like Paris Hilton's 1111 Media and Andreessen Horowitz, also known as A16Z. The platform uses blockchain technology to help content creators oversee and monetize their content in the face of fakes generated by AI. It plans to serve as a blockchain-based IP ownership repository for all types of content, including text, image, and audio. If artists eventually register with the protocol, they can use connected services to sell the licensing rights for various other users. The other co-founder of the project, Seung-Yoon Lee, estimated that in a year or two, the level of remixed content through GenAI is going to be so much higher. Global pop icon Justin Bieber will have one of his hit songs turned into a non-fungible token which fans can invest in for a share of the royalties. On September 7, the blockchain-centric music tech platform Another Block and the co-producer of the track, Andres Schuler, also known as The Accident, will drop the track Company as an NFT with only 2,000 available. While Accident will remain the rights holder, fans owning an NFT of the track will then be able to participate in a 1% royalty share in the streams of the song. The song's initial release as a single made it into Australia's top 40 and landed at 53 on the United States charts. To date, the track has amassed over 500 million streams. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Tether. In a truly major development in the crypto and stablecoin world, third largest cryptocurrency Tether recently announced its growing exposure to US Treasury bonds. As of 5th September 2023, Tether's holdings of these treasury bonds have risen to an impressive $72.5 billion. This significant financial maneuver catapulted Tether into 22nd place amongst the largest holders of the US Treasury assets, surpassing sovereign nations such as the United Arab Emirates, Mexico, Australia, and Spain in the terms of US Treasury bonds. USDT was trading at $0.99, up 0.02% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $82 billion. Tether has secured $72.5 billion in US Treasury bonds, highlighting its growing significance in crypto ecosystem and the broader financial landscape. Initially, a stable currency pegged to US dollar, Tether's rise is significant as it serves a lifetime for individuals and communities facing high inflation rates in the national currencies. Tether's stability tied to the US dollar's value provides financial security for countless people worldwide, highlighting its pivotal role in the crypto ecosystem. Next on the list, we have Solana. Visa announced the expansion of its stablecoin settlement capabilities to include the Solana blockchain in addition to existing capabilities on Ethereum. The company said it partnered with merchant acquirers WorldPlay and New for pilot programs. As part of live pilots, Visa has already moved millions of USDC between its partners over the Solana and Ethereum blockchain networks to settle fiat-denominated payments authorized over VisaNet. The payments giant detailed in a press release. WorldPlay and New are fintech companies serving merchants across various sectors. With Visa's support, they expect to offer merchants the option to receive payments in stablecoins like USDC. This announcement also marks Visa's inclusion of Solana as a supported blockchain for settlements, making it one of the first major payment companies to do so. Solana was trading at near $20, up near 2% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $8 billion. Next on the list, we have Lido. Lido Finance is a liquid staking solution that allows users to earn rewards on an underlying asset, unlocking its utility and liquidity across DeFi applications in the form of a liquid staking derivative token. The P2P team responsible for Lido Finance's deployment on Solana has submitted a funding proposal to the Lido DAO community for $1.5 million over the next 12 months. The proposal includes a quarterly development retainer of $200,000, an annual marketing budget of $600,000, and a customer support budget of $100,000. The goal is to capture over 1% of Solana's staking market share and further develop the product. The proposal suggests a sunsetting process for Lido on Solana, similar to the situation with Polkadot and Kusama, if the DAO cannot provide the requested financial support. The plan would gradually discontinue support by February 2024. Lido dominates Ethereum's liquid staking market with $14 billion in total value locked, but its presence on Solana is smaller with $50 million in locked value and faces competition from Marinette Finance and Agito with Solana's niche. Lido was trading near $2, up 1.08% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Next on the list, we have Wagmi Games. Wagmi Games has partnered with NFT marketplace OpenSea to support innovative mints that utilize digital assets. The strategic partnership will help integrate Wagmi Games products, including digital token collections with OpenSea. Wagmi plans to develop a new NFT collections, including Knife Wars comics, blurring the lines between NFTs and digital storytelling, prior to the launch of its founders' Mint event. Despite this collaboration, Wagmi Games was trading at 4.03% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $36 million. Wagmi Games is introducing a new feature allowing community members to mint NFTs on the OpenSea platform, enhancing participation in future drops and simplifying the buying, listing, and selling process. This will introduce fans to exclusive mints using the world's largest Web3 marketplace, introducing the Wagmi franchise to a new audience. Last on the list, we have Cardano. Cardano's native token has recently undergone a notable decline in its value, with its price dropping by approximately 17% over the last month. During the same period, however, the on-chain activity has defied expectations. According to the latest data by Sentiment, Cardano's surge in transaction volume is noteworthy given the contrast with its subdued market value compared to its April peak. ADA has witnessed a 1,700% surge in its weekly on-chain transaction volume since late January. Data also suggests that the ongoing discussions and engagement rates surrounding ADA indicates that traders' interest in the crypto asset remains unfazed by the depreciation in its price. ADA was trading at $0.25, down near 0.44% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $8 billion. Cardano has seen a significant increase in developer activity, surpassing prominent projects like Hedera, Chainlink, and Cosmos in August. This indicates a commitment to innovation and potential improvements in the network's capabilities. Cardano's NFT flow price has also skyrocketed, briefly exceeding Ethereum. The network holds a total value locked of around $150 million, a 200% increase since January 2023. However, decentralized exchange volumes on the network have declined over the past month.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.